So look what just happened. Look what's going on. Promise you, the hurricane's not even supposed to be here until tomorrow. I can promise you guys that. Oh my lord. Look how much these are blowing. I mean, I wanted to go outside. I'm not sure if they'll be fine. I'm not sure if they'll be happy with that, but I do. One thing is one in the same direction as before. Now the problem is my phone might get wet. That's why I usually, like I said, if you saw the video earlier, like I'll say it by the door. This just started. I was just like doing stuff on my computer, and then this just started happening. So I'm gonna try to go outside. All right. So ready? So I decided to come here, see what it looks like from the front. I don't think it looks that bad up front. It is pretty windy though. Get them out now. Looks like the rain has stopped for now, for the moment. I'm gonna set the doorbell inside. I saw the clip earlier, yeah. I said the rain stopped. Now it's coming down here, but we're outside now to get some more footage. Still some rain. I mean, it was just like pouring. That's gonna. I mean, the wind's gonna be blowing east. Later. I should look at the compass. I think it was like that way or something. So the wind might be blowing this way. Like through the house. So I'm not sure if there will be a safe place for me to record, but I'll try to get footage tomorrow too. Excited to get to see if there's any more strong come by. Rain's gonna come by. It was just pouring. Like the ground is soaked. Like I said, the storm is not even supposed to be. Comes some more wind and I'm feeling some rain. Yeah, I'm feeling some rain now, so it might start pouring again in a little bit. Yeah, the clouds look pretty cool. I uploaded the video I recorded earlier already, so... Oh, yeah, here comes the rain, I can hear it! Here comes the rain, guys! I'm so gonna get soaked. Here comes the rain now! Oh, I'm so gonna get soaked. I'm gonna go over here now, because maybe... I don't know if they'll do anything. Yeah, here comes the rain. Yeah, my phone screen's getting wet. Crap. Is the rain coming earlier or something? I mean, the wind, like, you know, if you saw the clip earlier, you can see it was, like, very gusty. It died down, so even though there's wind, it's, like, it's not constant, it's, like, adjusting. It's, like, very, like, some parts it's more windy than others it's not. It looks just like, the first part of my dad's footage of Hurricane Wilma. Where it's like, it gets really windy, but then other parts it's less. That's what's going on here right now. And like, yeah, it's pouring. But this is not even the storm, right? This is not even it. It's not supposed to be here for another couple days. But I want to see if it starts getting really gusty out here again. Oh, here comes, the rain's coming down harder. Oh my god. I'm sure it'll be raining even more Sunday once the storm actually comes. Yeah, oh my god, the rain's coming down. Pouring! Oh, the camera's out of focus. We'll try that. Alright, hopefully it's good now. Oh my god. Oh, woo! Yeah, the wind seems to die down a little bit for now, but it's still pouring now. Wow. Oh my god, look how fast the cloud's moving. Probably can't see it that well, but the cloud's moving pretty fast. The wind has definitely died down. But then again, it's supposed to come tomorrow. It's just like it's like the pre-storm. And this is somewhat like that storm on my old channel, the crazy Florida storm on my old channel. I'll link that in the description. There, it wasn't even a hurricane. It was just like a storm that had like pretty gusty winds there. This will be a hurricane soon. Of course, not right now because it's not here yet. I'm hearing some stuff now. I hear more rain too. And the rain has died down a bit, as well as the wind has died down a little bit. But other than that, not much has changed. And I'm not zooming in that much. I know I'm not. Yeah, the wind has definitely died down now. I'm sure that's going to change though. I'm sure it is. Because the storm is still approaching Florida. And I have a feeling it's going to start like slowly picking up and have like another gusty part. Just like earlier and just like not so long ago. Wow, look at that. Not so dark. And you go over there and it's like still dark. And yeah, this is like the outer band clouds and stuff. And that's still dumping water there. Well, the ram's gone, but I don't want to risk getting suddenly get soaked. There's like dark clouds and like less dark clouds there. Jeez. Oh, my phone got water on it. Damn it! It's bad if my phone gets water on it. My phone's screen, I should say. Yeah, the wind has definitely died down a little bit, but now some of it might be coming back. This is, I mean, earlier it might have been more oppressive looking, maybe earlier. Maybe earlier. Sure some wind, sure some gusts will come back while we're out here. I see where I'm recording and you guys are watching. Oh, hoping, at least. I mean, when I upload, it's never a thing where it's like, oh, I expect you to watch every video I upload. No, I don't at all. I very much don't expect you guys to watch every single video I put up. I honestly don't. Sometimes you guys may think that, but it's not true. Cause I know you guys have different interests. So yeah, I don't expect you guys to watch every single one of my videos. But I'm pretty confident that a lot of you would be interested in hurricane footage. Of course, it's not here now, and the wind has died down a lot, so I don't know what's up with that. But the footage really might be more impressive. But you guys have just like upstairs saw the gusty wind and the pouring rain. So I think for now I'm gonna go head back inside. Well, and I'll probably stay downstairs. So like once like wind starts coming back, then I'll go outside again. So yeah.